Hello lovelies, my name is DK Oni and you're welcome. In this video, I'm to show you how to sew a button to your outfit, to your shirt, to your dress, or whatever it is or wherever it is you want to attach the button to. So here I have my button which has 4 holes. I have my piece of fabric, I have my needle and thread, I have my thread and my scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and tie the tip of my thread like so. Then cut off the excess. Here's our fabric. Let's assume that's the right side of the fabric and that's the wrong side of the fabric. So you pass your needle through the wrong side of the fabric like so. Then pick up your button and pass it through one of the holes like so. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.